Okay, guys, how y'all doing? It is I, the one and only Janita, back with another video. And today I'm sharing me making an orange cake, but I'm not a cook, chef, nor am I sharing every little thing I'm doing to make this cake. What I am sharing is the ingredients and the let's see, this still wet. This round cake pan that I'm going to be using, the bowl Oxkey, and I better quit trying to pronounce this name because I'm ruining the name of that product. And I'm not being sponsored, paid for any of these things. I'm just sharing on my channel something that I want to share so I can check back in the future and see all the little wonderful things that I've done while I'm on this planet. And let's continue with what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I'm going to use a round cake pan. I might use it twice, I might use it once. But the thing is, what I'm going to be doing is cooking it in the KALORIK electric oven. Yes, I'm going to be cooking it in the KALORIK electric oven. I'm cooking with these gadgets. Okay? And I'm making an orange cake, which after it's done, I'm going to glaze it lightly with some orange glaze because I'm going to use this food coloring. Everything is done in moderation. I might not have a lot of stuff that I don't need to eat all the time, and most of the things I eat are bad because, like I said, I'm allergic to everything but water, basically. I can't have a lot of anything, and a minimum amount of something is trouble, but that's just my life, and that's just what I have to deal with. So, anyway, I'm going to enjoy my life as much as I can, eating this and that, even though I know a lot of us do have a problem with eating certain foods because our bodies are allergic and they swell up, meaning they get fat. So I'm not the only one with that problem. When you overeat, your body swells. You don't like all that pressure. But anyway, yes, I'm making an orange cake, and I believe red and yellow make orange. So I'm going to put some of that, a dab of that in my little drizzle frosting, whatever I'm going to put on this cake. But you see the sugar I'm using, 100% sugar-free monk sweetener, baking sugar, so hey, butter, unsalted butter, salt. I got the vanilla, eggs, my flour shifted in that flour shifter thing. Ooh, my back. I didn't hurt my back. Y'all, I've been out of commission. I hurt my back. I've been to the dentist and I'm still not through. Going, sharing my business. Like y'all want to hear about my business. Of course, there's some nosy people that want to know what's going on in my life. Ha ha! But anyway, here's the buttermilk that I'm using. My powdered buttermilk. I shifted, shifted my flour, which is in this bowl. And I gotta add all my dry ingredients. Here's my clabber girl. And I don't have fresh oranges. I don't think so. So I'm going to use these organic great value orange peels. Haha. And I have some great orange extract. So these are ingredients that I'm using today to make this orange cake. Be back in a second. I'm just going to throw these things together, show you it in the pan, and then the electric oven will, KALORIK electric oven will come into play. Hope you guys enjoy this. And I'm definitely enjoying it. I love me. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, here's my first cake. Getting ready to go into the KALORIK electric oven. 350, hopefully less than 30 minutes. We shall see. And I'm cooking with these gadgets in my Icing cake pan in my KALORIK electric oven. Please forgive me, Cake Pan Company, if I am pronouncing your product name wrong. And no, people, I'm not getting paid for this. This is just me sharing what I would want to do with this electric oven, and I want some orange cake. So here we go. Be back. Okay, cake. I just put the cake in the oven, and I have it. Have you guys looking at it like this in the corner because of the light would have too much glare. So this is it in the oven. I'm about to turn it on. Get my settings ready. Let's see here. Uh-oh, closing the door will work. Okay, oven, and I pushed it down because I want to bake. Set it to 30 minutes. Push the button, the knob that you, let me show y'all. This knob here is what I'm pushing to control temperature, time, and to turn it to one of these things flashing as you see there. I hope you can see it good. Now I'm setting the temperature to 350 set, and then I just push the start button out here, and it's on. Let's see. Oven light ain't coming on, so I guess it don't. The light don't come on with the. Oh, I'm pushing the wrong button, y'all. Duh. Still learning this oven, y'all. I only have like what, 3 videos up. Sorry, I got y'all in the light. You're not gonna like that in the video. Okay, I'll be back. You guys, I'm back. I baked this cake for 25 minutes. It didn't go the whole 30 at 350 degrees in the KALORIK electric oven. Baby, we got a winner. KALORIK, y'all came through. My orange cake looks fabulous, and I am amazed. The cake, it bakes cakes really well. So A plus, extra pluses, and all kind of praises for the KALORIK electric oven. But we're not going to forget about the cake pan that is baked in now. Y'all can see a little crust around the edges. I don't know if you can see it well, but the reason why I have the camera turned to the side, cocked to the side, is because the light back there will have a terrible glare, excuse me. So let me take this out of here because I have to bake the second half of my cake. I'll be back. Okay, guys. The box oxy. Y'all know I'm trying to pronounce the name of this cake pan. The cake slid out the pan, hot and all. I had to be careful because, you know, it was about to tear up something. I flipped it over and did my worst. The worst of it when I turned it back over to let y'all see the top of the cake right out of the KALORIK. I'm about to put the second cake in. This one's going to be cool. So when I come back, I'm going to show you guys the cake, I imagine. Frosted, drizzled, one of them. But anyway, this is the demonstration for the KALORIK electric oven. Baking, I baked the orange cake. Excuse me, that's my timer. I baked the orange cake in the KALORIK oven. Came out perfect. I baked it at 350. I used on the menu, I used bake. I used the bake menu or the bake category off the menu. And I cooked it I started at 30, but I took it out at 25 minutes, baked at 350. My beautiful orange cake. The color is beautiful. Hope you guys can appreciate this as much as I can from the other end of this camera. I'm very impressed by the KALORIK oven baking a cake. Because now I have to, well anyway, we're just going to stick with the results I love the results of the cake I baked in this KALORIK electric oven. I have the Maxx. I shall put the name of the oven, etc. in the the tag. And in the description box, I'll add more comments about what it is and what I did. And so far, I love it. And if you guys interested in this KALORIK oven, I guess if you want to use it, I'm not sponsoring this. I'm not getting paid. I'm just sharing. I bought it. My husband and I, we bought it mostly for the rotisserie and the dehydration, but I see it's a great baker too. He was expecting some cookies, but I just said, freak, I'm just going to just cook me an orange cake and put some orange icing on it or some drizzle. Okay, thank you guys for taking out the time to watch this, and I'll be back, because I don't know why I'm telling you bye for now. I'll be back with the final part of this video of me just icing it up a little bit. Okay, so see you in a minute. Alright, you guys, this is the second cake out of the KALORIK oven. This one only took about 22 minutes because I don't think I evenly placed my batter in for my second cake. So I guess it was a little less batter, so it only took 22 minutes at 350 degrees baked in the KALORIK electric oven. And there is the cake pan. Here's the cake pan, clean as a whistle, no grease, no oil, no flour. The box oxy silicone cake pan, beautiful, and the cake is beautiful. So I'll be back with the final baking, excuse me, of baking, the final baking for the of this orange cake, because I'm going to have it drizzled with some orange icing. I hope I get it orange enough so you can see it's orange. Alright, okay guys, I'm back with the finished product. This is my orange cake baked in the KALORIK electric oven. Came out perfect. The texture of this cake is so doggone moist. It is moist. It's like those cakes they sell. Let me see, I'm trying to pick one. Like one of them little Debbie cakes with all the frosting on it. That light, not spongy, it's not like a Twinkie. It's just so moist and tender. It is nothing dry about this cake. I ate the top piece. Now with my icing, y'all can see my cake. I'm showing y'all the best part of my cake because I didn't quite have enough icing to really make it drizzle. So this is my design on my cake right here. It's cute and it tastes delicious. This cake is so sweet. I used the remember I used the let me show y'all this product right here, 100% sugar free. The only thing that's helping this cake be extra sweet in the icing glaze slash frosting, I did add I used a half a stick of butter, and I used like I guess a quarter cup or a little over that of orange juice, and that's where the extra sweetness comes from, that orange juice. But this cake, that frosting on this, oh, it's so sweet. I feel like I'm eating a pound of sugar. I don't know if it's gonna be this sweet. Probably it's just that extra orange juice, but anyway, with that butter, and it looks the reason why my frosting slash icing glaze looks chunky and like chips is because when I was cooking it on the stove, yes, I put in a little arrowroot. Now bakers, hold up, leave me alone. You know I'm not the chef. I just did that because I wanted to see what was gonna happen if I added a little arrowroot, because I put it in my gravy and it, it thickened it up. because I wanted it to be a little thick, because it was like too watery and I couldn't put it on my cake like that. But no harm, no foul. Came out good to me. You cake bakers, don't put the cross up on me, because I don't know how y'all do y'all cakes, and if y'all use arrowroot, I don't know. But I sure in the heck put me a tad of some arrowroot. Not no spoon, not no half teaspoon. It was like a tad, just enough to make it get thick, this consistency that you see on my cake. And Lord have mercy, Jesus, it did help. It got me the results that I wanted. I wanted my icing to be a little thick. It's on top, and as you can see on the center, I did put some on the first layer that's down there. Like I say, with my piece that I cut out, I already ate the top. No, I ate the bottom part. Wait, I ate the top part. This is the bottom part. And the texture, like I say, this cake is so moist. This is the first cake I ever baked homemade. This doggone moist and tender. And just melt in your mouth. I am impressed by myself. I'm telling you, I'm impressed with myself. If y'all was here, y'all would say, Janita, this cake is real good. And my baby, my husband, my man, he gonna tell me the same thing. Enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was excellent. I loved it.
Thank you, baby.
Okay.
Because yes, we try not to eat all that sugar and stuff. Because this cake was baked with the monk fruit, 100% sugar free. And it's delicious. Ain't no aftertaste. This tastes like a regular cake. And I'm trying to tell you, I used to did not like homemade cakes, but I really love homemade cakes now. You can't tell me to go and buy a box cake. Only reason it was so cheap and it's just something to do. But other than that, I prefer a homemade baked cake. Flour, sugar. Well, this kind of sugar for us now. But this cake is delicious. The KALORIK oven did a great job baking this cake. KALORIK, thumbs up for how this cake baked in the KALORIK oven. Thumbs up. And it's very good. Came out great. Like I say, texture, flavor, the height. As you can see, I did I used that cake pan twice, because this is a double layer. If I had made it one whole cake, this is how tall it would be. It looked like it's maybe about 2.5 inches, 3 inches, something like that. 2.5 to 3 inches, this cake, how tall it is. But anyway, thank y'all for coming in here. It's to watch my video how I make this cake using the KALORIK oven. And thank you for watching me bake this cake cooking with these gadgets, the box oxy silicone cake pans that I have acquired. And I told y'all where I got it from. So check my last video when you see a cake on here. My pumpkin cake, I believe it is. This is my orange cake. Thank y'all for watching. I just don't want to keep y'all too long, because I want to let y'all go ahead on and check out my cake. I know it's beautiful. Thanks. Thank y'all. Thanks for all the compliments. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, that's to be about it. I'm about to finish enjoying the last piece of my little piece of cake. Then drink like 3-4 bottles of water to wash all that orange juice down. Because I'm telling you, I'm not too worried because I didn't use regular sugar. But the butter, all right. Okay. All right, y'all. Later.